Hey guys, Sam with Rossmönster Vans. Just want to show you a new build that we just completed here. It's on a Ford Transit 148 extended. It's got upgraded Toyo Open Country AT tires. Up top you can see the Dometic Penguin. Let's step inside, I'll show you some features inside. Alright, so we're going to step into this van here. Before we do, I just wanted to point out these bug screens. Both of these sides unclip and they roll out really nicely. They're on magnets. And all you have to do is zip them up. There's an opening right here so you can kind of move in and out of the sliding door real easy. And it's on a magnet strip here. So let's step inside. I'll show you the front seating area and then we'll go towards the back and talk about more of the features in the van. Alright, so we're in the front of the van here. We've got seating for 4. We've got the driver and the passenger seat. They swivel, and then this fold-away bus seat is really nice for additional seating. This thing pops down just with this lever. Go. And then this backrest pops up. This is locked in. It's got 3-point style seat belts. And then let me get the table here. This is a center pull table mount. Just locks into place. Gives you nice seating. 2 people can sit here. 2 people can sit in the driver and the passenger seat. This table is really nice because it swivels. Gives you a nice area to hang out for eating or whatever. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to convert this bench back against the wall. Kind of convert this whole dining area. Take the table off first. Set it on the swivel seat there. Drop the backrest down, push that down, lift the lever on the bottom, and that whole thing slides away real easy. I'm stepping back into this van here. I'll start on the passenger side. We've got a Dometic round sink with a glass lid. Has a nice little faucet here. Moving back from that, we've got a good cabinet with drawers. There's 4 shelves in here, so ample space for storage. Everything is locked with these RV clips. Underneath, we've got a big cabinet here for storage. Nice place to put gear or whatever. Underneath that is where we have our Webasto heater vent. This is our water system. We've got 2 7-gallon water tanks, 1 for gray, 1 for fresh, and our water pump here for the sink and faucet. Sweet. And then on the driver's side, we've got a really big fridge freezer combo unit here. This is the Isotherm drawer 160. You've got your refrigerator drawer here. You've got access on both sides. And then below that, we have the freezer. So this is a really nice option if you want to carry a lot of food with you on your travels. And it's stainless steel and locks into place. Additionally, a little bit back from the fridge, we've got this flip up cabinet here with a Nature's Head composting toilet. This door also opens and you're able to use the toilet right here. And stepping back towards the bed platform, we've got a nice set of drawers here. We've got 2 up top with RV clips, and then 2 a little bit bigger, stronger drawers on 500-pound locking slides. So it's a nice place for storage as well. Show this bottom one here. And then in the very far back, we've got our bed platform. This is a full-size bed platform, and we'll kind of talk about this space when we move to the rear. There's a couple other features back here that make this place a great spot for a bed. So 2 other features in this van related to cooling. We've got a Max Air fan back here in the bed area that is thermostatically controlled. It can either blow air into the van or suck air out. And then up front towards the sliding door area, dining area, we've got our Dometic Penguin II AC unit. So this is going to be really nice to to use on a hot day. We've got our custom switch panel over here on the passenger side. We've got our overhead dome lights on a dimmer switch. We've got your inverter and inverter switch here. And then this switch is just the light up switch for the rest of these switches here. We have a toilet switch, fridge switch, the water pump, and ACR switch. And then we have our battery monitor. And above that is the Webasto thermostat. Additionally, with the power system and kind of the electrical items in this fan, we've got a outlet on this side, outlet on this side over here above this countertop, and there's also an outlet behind this closet right here to give you some options for when you're in bed as well. All right, we're in the rear of this van here. We have bug screens on this rear door opening as well. They're also magnetic, just like the ones on the sliding door. So I'll roll these up real quick, and then we can kind of jump inside here, and I'll show you the power system and some lighting features back here, and then some of the windows that are in the bed area here. So this just rolls up. It's got 2 clips. Really easy to use. So this is the bed platform. It's about a full-size bed. We raised this a little higher so that our customer could slide in their mountain bikes here. On the passenger side, we've got 2 foldable, extendable reading lights that you just touch the light bulb to turn on. In the way back, there's a nice little shelf for you to put your phone, put water, whatever you're gonna put on that shelf. And like I talked about earlier, there's the outlet for that side as well. Additionally, in this rear bed platform here, we've got 2 Arctic turn windows. These are really nice windows. They have locking push buttons that you just turn to open these up, push it out, and you got a nice window there. This folds back in, and then you just lock these into place. So you got 1 on each side, good ventilation, cross ventilation in the bed area. Let's go ahead and check out the power system. We have this power system in this mechanical cabinet over here. This fan is equipped with 340 amp hours of battery bank, 2000 watt inverter, the ACR. We also vented that composting toilet right through here, and there's all the associated circuit breakers and wiring for the entire power system. Everything is housed in this cabinet. So then on the passenger side, we have a small storage cabinet. Since our water system is up front, we've got a little extra space for more gear over here. All right, that's it for this van. Thanks for checking out the video. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube. You can find out a lot of information on our website as well, and we'll have another one coming soon.